Want to unleash your inner artist and supercharge your Notion workspace all on your iPad? I'm going to show you exactly how to draw and annotate directly within Notion on your iPad, making your notes more engaging and your brainstorming sessions a whole lot more fun. First, you'll need a compatible stylus like the Apple Pencil or any other iPad stylus, and a drawing app that allows you to export your creations as images. Some popular options include Procreate, Adobe Fresco, or even the built-in markup tool within your iPad's Photos app. Let's start with Procreate. Create your artwork, whether it's a detailed illustration, a quick sketch, or handwritten notes, within Procreate. Once you're happy with your drawing, tap on the Share icon. From the Share menu, choose a suitable image format like JPG or PNG, then save the image to your iPad's Files app. Now, head over to your Notion page on your iPad. Decide where you want to insert your drawing. Tap where you want the drawing to appear, then tap the plus icon to add a block. Select the image block option. This will prompt you to choose an image source. Tap Choose an Image and navigate to the Files app to find the drawing you saved earlier. Select it, and Notion will insert the image directly into your page. You can now resize and reposition the image to fit perfectly within your notes. You can also use the same technique with the iPad's built-in markup tool for quick annotations on screenshots or existing images, and there you have it, a creative and visually enhanced Notion workspace, all thanks to the power of your iPad and a stylus.